Video, and today I am making this video because a lot of people on Twitter, Threads, just social media period, when I be posting my wallpaper, my home screen wallpaper setups, they say those are some really cool, nice wallpapers, and could you drop a link, or they want to know where I find my wallpapers because they say I have some pretty dope wallpaper home screen setups. Well, I'm making this video because I want you to be able to find nice wallpapers just like me. So pretty much right now, this is the current wallpaper that I am rocking on my Google Pixel Fold. And the app that I use to find most of all my wallpapers is just Pinterest. I just come to Pinterest and I type in wallpapers, and as you can see, it already pulls up some of the ones that I like to use. So this is the one that I currently have on my home, on my wall, of my Google Pixel Fold as of a wallpaper right now. And I just thought that would look cool and dope on my home screen. So I just pretty much, all I do is I come to Pinterest and I just scroll the wallpapers and I just see which one I like. I save them. So if you want to make something a wallpaper on Pinterest, all you would need to do is just click on the wallpaper you want, and at the top here with these three buttons, you want to just click on those three dots and you want to hit download image. And once you do that, you will go out and go back into your gallery app and it'll save that image right there. You'll have easy access to save that wallpaper. And I use Pinterest on all of my devices if I can. So pretty much, like I said, I just go to Pinterest. That's why when people ask me, can I drop a link, I'm not quite sure how to do that, because I just come to Pinterest and I find a wallpaper that I like and I just save it. And I don't know how to share the links, but I wanted to make this video so you'll know that this is where majority of my wallpapers come from. I do not download wallpaper apps anymore because Pinterest has some pretty good solid wallpapers, and you would just scroll and see what wallpaper you want. You can come up here, you can go into your search bar down here and you just search what wallpaper you want. So say if you wanted something with anime, with cars, whatever, you can type that in, and as you can see down at the bottom, it's already giving me some things that I've already looked at. So I like Kobe, so I can come click onto the Kobe page and it will give me different wallpapers, and I can just scroll through them and see which one I like and test it out and see if it's one that I want to use as my wallpaper. You can type in Spider-Man art, any kind of wallpaper you want, you can find it on Pinterest. And that's why I love using Pinterest for my necessary wallpaper app. It is the only app that I use to come find wallpapers. And if you want some dope wallpapers like me, then you can come on Pinterest and get wallpapers. And if you don't have Pinterest, all you will need to do is just go to your Google Play Store and you will want to type in Pinterest, and you will want to download Pinterest and sign into Pinterest. And once you do that, you will be good to go, and you'll be able to come here and find nice wallpapers and just make your phone your own. And that's what I like to do. I like to use Pinterest, and I'm constantly changing my wallpaper. I may change it once a week or once a week or once a month. It just all depends on what I feel like at that moment, you know. So I just really like this wallpaper. I don't know why. I don't know, the color, it just has a lot of color in it, and that's what I like. I like to get the nice colorful wallpapers, and then I just have it match. Then I do the material hue and use regular icons, and I just match up the colors. And to me, this really looks dope, and I get a lot of compliments when I post my home screen setups with my wallpapers on social media. So if you want to be able to have dope wallpapers just like me, all you would need to do is just download Pinterest and find the one that you think will work for you, and you will be good to go. But like I said, I just wanted to make that video to let you know all I use is Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.